prepare a very simple breakfast item. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment on my YouTube, and I will really appreciate. The ingredients that I'm going to use are sweet potato, which are boiled, and then this is 1 red onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. So for these eggs, I'm going to beat and I'm going to mash the sweet potatoes. So here's my mashed sweet potato. I'm going to set it aside. I'll beat my eggs. My egg is ready. I'll set it aside. Put my sweet potatoes inside the dish. Then I'll add all of this inside. After that, I'm going to add my eggs. Then I'm going to mix everything together. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe. You can try it out and let me know how it turned out. And for these spices, it's optional. You don't have to have them so that you prepare this recipe. At this stage, I'm going to add cooking oil in my cooking pot. Then I'm going to add the mixture. Then I'll cover and reduce heat. So it's still cooking. I'm going to turn it. So after turning, this is how it looks. I'm going to again apply oil in my cooking pan, then I return. So you can see how it looks. So as you can see, it's already cooked. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. As you can see, my breakfast idea is ready, and it's very simple. I don't need like a fork or spoon or knife to take it. It's very, very yummy. You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. And it's very crisp. I really love it. You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.